Good morning. Welcome to Best Bid's Tip of the Day. Today we're going to be talking about manually entering man hours into the estimate. So the Best Bid uses 80% of the recommended man hours from the database. This works well on 1- and 2-story buildings and working off a ladder. We've discovered over the years that we can comfortably match 80% of the database hours. We think 100% is just a little too much time. So if you look at the estimate, look at the software, you'll see that there's a column, adjust labor percentage, and we have it preset at 0.8, 80%. You can change this, and you will change it for difficulty. So if you're working off a lift or something for this section of the work, you can change that to 80% to 100% or 125%. So most softwares just have a column 1, 2, and 3. You only get 3 choices of difficulty. Well, we use a percent, so you can go any percent that you would like to see, from 70% to 200%. It doesn't matter. You can have any percentage that you want. So this creates a small issue if you're not aware of it. So since the Best Bid uses 80%, they adjust their labor to 80%. When you manually enter your time that you've entered is going to be derated to 80%. So to overcome this, you need to add 25% to the time you want to use. So if you want to enter 1 man hour, if you want to end up with 1 man hour, then you're going to start with 1.25 man hours. That's 1 hour times 25%, or 1 times 1.25. So that's going to equal your 1.25 man hours. If you wanted to enter 2 man hours into the estimate, then you multiply 2 times 1.25. That equals 2.50 man hours. So we're adding 25% to the time we want to end up with, because we know that Best Bid is going to deduct 20% of the time. So adding 25 and deducting 20 equals back to the time that you want. So let's go to the software. So for this A fixture, I've entered 1.25 man hours, and for the B fixture, I've entered 2.5 man hours. Now I really want this to be 1 and I want this to be 2. So when we go to the recap sheet, the 1.25 derated by the 80% adjusted cost gives me the 1 man hour. The 2.50 adjusted by the 80% gives me 2 man hours. So anytime you're going to manually enter man hours into the software, you need to remember that it's going to take away 20%. So to overcome that, you just add 25% to your man hours. Hope that clears it up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed day.